Hello there guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this poster in Canva. So first of all, we're gonna open up a blank poster, and what we're gonna do is insert a circle like this right here and go to colors, and I'm just going to change the color to pink, and we're gonna insert two macrons like this and change the background color for the circle. I'm gonna go with pink, and let me just find a suitable pink. Next, we're going to give it some transparency, duplicate that circle, and then send it to the back, give it more transparency. Let me just send them to the back as well. Now let me type my text, which is going to be new. Go to effects and let me just give it the echo effect. Yeah, like this. Increase its size, perfect. Next, what we're going to do is just move the circles to the right side so that I can make space for other text. Now go to text box and insert a title, which is gonna be macaron cherry. I'm gonna decrease its line spacing. Give it some text box space like this. Change its font to Anton. And then insert like a white text box like this. And send it to the back of the circle. And what you're gonna do is just insert some other text and details in the bottom part. Change the fill to pink. And then I'm just going to add a logo. Search for desserts logo, or you can just search for macaroon. You can just find any logo from here and put it on top. And then what we can do is like just change the colors and give it the fun animation and select both for it. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made this video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe.